Hello, I'm Shanai. Today I'm going to ferment chicken. People love fermented chicken because of its unique flavor and because the fermentation process will reduce harmful substances in a natural way. I prefer to ferment boneless and skinless chicken thigh because I agree that moving muscle tastes better when it comes to fermentation. I soak the meat in water for 1 to 2 hours to remove blood, so the final flavor will be better. To prevent chicken from rotting during fermentation, I want to pay attention to 3 things. 1. Tap dry the meat as much as I can. 2. Pre-cure the meat before fermentation by applying salt and sugar and give a good massage to help penetration. Then marinate it in the fridge for 24 hours. Three, ferment for no longer than 24 hours in an instant pot with pot-in-pot method and a yogurt setting. I cook the fermented chicken in one of the 3 ways. In air fryer, pan frying, or roasting in oven. If you like my kitchen DIY exploration, please thumb up and subscribe. I'm Shanai. See you next time.